On the magical island of Mont Saint-Michel lived Gaspard, the swiftest seagull messenger. He soared above the abbey, delivering scrolls to all who visited this special place. Mont Saint-Michel was unique. Twice a day, the tide rushed in faster than a galloping horse. Visitors loved to watch, but one morning, the tide came and refused to leave. "We can't cross!" cried the pilgrims. Gaspard perched on a gargoyle, listening carefully, determined to help. "The moon clock has stopped. Find 3 gears of time to make it tick again." Determined, a spiraled seashell, a round pebble, and a dewy spider's web. I will find them. First, Gaspard flew to the shore, searching for a spiraled seashell among the glistening treasures. He found a beautiful shell, its curves gleaming like a tiny snail's house. Perfect! Next, Gaspard soared to the riverbank, seeking a perfectly round pebble among the tumbling stones. He picked the smoothest, roundest pebble, shining like a silver moon. This will do. Finally, Gaspard flew into the shadowy old forest, searching for a dewy spider's web. In a gnarled oak, he found a web glittering with dew, each droplet like tiny stars. Carefully, Gaspard collected the dewy web and flew back to the abbey tower. He held the seashell, pebble, and web. Gaspard returned to the abbey tower. Inside the tower, the moon clock stood silent. Gaspard carefully placed the treasures within. The clock's hands began to move, ticking and talking like a heartbeat. Suddenly, the tide started to ebb. The waters rushed out, freeing the island. The pilgrims and residents cheered, their faces filled with joy. "Gaspard saved us!" Gaspard became the island's hero, known for his bravery and quick thinking. Visitors remembered the day the tide wouldn't leave and the seagull who saved the day. The story of Gaspard was told for generations, reminding all that small heroes matter. And as the tides came and went, Gaspard continued to watch over his island home. He knew that even the smallest of creatures could make a big difference. And so, the island of Mont Saint-Michel was safe, thanks to a brave little seagull. And all who visited would remember Gaspard's courage and determination. Gaspard showed everyone that even the smallest among us can save the day.